Good evening, everyone. This is Veer Maheshwar Charitable Trust Latur MS India organizing daily international webinar series. In this series, speakers are invited from India and abroad. Everyday speakers are delivering their topic related to their expertise or research. The subjects related to education, law, health, environmental science, technology, all topics are accepted here. And every day we are enriching in the knowledge through the various speeches organized by Veer Maheshwar Charitable Trust and delivered by the various speakers. Today, on 3rd August, we have invited Dr. Shikha Verma ma'am, who is Associate Professor at Maharishi Markandeshwar University, Mullana. I welcome you, ma'am, from my organization and from all the participants, those who are joined here. And today's topic is AI tool for research. As we are all academicians, we are working for the students in the research area. At that time, what are the new artificial intelligence related tools which are available? She will explain in her speech. I welcome you, ma'am, again, and I request you, you can start your speech now. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to share my expertise or knowledge to others. Thank you so much. So, first of all, I'm going to share my full screen. Just let me know that my voice is properly audible to you and my screen is also properly visible to you.
Yes, ma'am, you can continue.
Okay, thank you, sir. Okay, so first of all, let me give a introduction about that, what we are going to discuss today.
I think you are having internet problem. Kindly wait, she will try to join. Our speaker trying to reconnect, no problem. I welcome all the participants, those who are joined here. Dr. Uday Pratap sir, Dr. Paul Kuna, Nidhi ma'am, Preeti ma'am, KN Diya sir, Dr. Prashant sir, Dr. Shilpa ma'am, Abdul ji, Surya Prakash Vyas sir, BN sir, and Kartika ma'am, Dr. Swanand Shukla sir, Anurag ji, Sushi ma'am, Shashi ma'am, Nandini ma'am, and all those who are present here. Surya Prakash Vyas sir, Rahul Mantri, Vijay sir. We are waiting for her joining. I have communicated her. She is trying to join again. Till now, you can fill the feedback. Feedback link is available in the chat box.
Sorry, I think connection was lost.
Yes, ma'am, you can share your screen, no problem.
Okay, sir. So this slides basically explain that how AI will help us to do these tasks. Like we can generate any idea or topic related to research. Suppose you want to decide your research topic, so AI can provide you or give you ideas. Like you have to give a topic. Suppose if you say, give me some topics related to machine learning, and it will provide a lot of or list of subjects, or you can say list of topics. Literature review, yes, literature through AI tools will do in a very good way. I will show you through examples. So these are the tasks. So I think let's start with the practical, and I'll explain these things, that how to find this or how to use these, how to find review or gap in identification, then how to do data analysis. So let's start with the practical part. So first of all, my first tool is Semantic Scholar. So this particular tool is used to find the research papers, and you just have to write the topic over here. Suppose I'm writing uh, artificial intelligence and medical education. Okay. So you just have to press search. So you can see over here, it will show you a list of papers. So the good thing about this particular tool is what, or you can say that we are already having Google Scholar, and we can search papers over here. So here some features are there, that Semantic Scholar, you can filter the search according to your requirement. You can do filter over here, like here are many fields, that field of study. So if you want to change the field of study, that computer science education, so you can list over here. Data range, yes, how many years of data you just want, or how many research papers within which years you want. So you can select the data range over here. Important feature is has PDF. Yes. So in some, like if you search for research papers, sometimes what happen, they are not available like for downloading purpose, and you just want that you need the PDFs also. So you just click over here, like you are viewing this many results. If you click as PDF, so it will decrease the results, but it will provide the all results with PDF. So it can show you the all open access articles. So through this, you can easily just read these articles and download articles and use freely in your research papers. Then if you know proper like particular author, so you can search over here through author name also. Also, one option is there, that is journal and conferences. Suppose you want to approach only the conference papers is or journal papers is, so you can select over here. So through this, you can easily find the research papers. And for literature review, as you need research papers, so through this, you can simply, according to your choices, through filters, you can find multiple like papers in your choice. Like you can search for PDFs with the data range, with authors. So many filters are there. So you can use this. And important thing, it is free of cost. So this tool is basically you can use freely. Move to next tool, consensus. So this is the second tool which you can use for the literature review purpose. So through this, what happen? Suppose I just write some statement. Suppose does FP affects and simply I just write does caffeine affect sleep. So what it will do? It will show you evidence-based answers, and see, it will show you the results. Yes, in the text form also, plus in the graph form also. Like 74% of papers indicate yes. Then how many say like possibly, or through graph it is showing that I'll just ask that caffeine affects sleep. Also, what it affects, it will show the overall summary that how many papers say yes about this statement. And important thing that it will give you that research papers also in you can say list of papers also that supports or that says about this research. So this is the first task which you can do with the consensus. Secondly, suppose I want to write a research paper and I just want that some suggestions. So here is the paper search. Just you have to click over there. So just write. I want to write a research paper on machine learning. Give me topics. So through this feature, through consensus, you will get multiple results that you can write introduction to machine learning and what you can include in this paper. So many suggestions are there. And you can see 20 papers are attached over here. So you can mention over here also like as you people, or I also use chat gpt, and totally the role is that how we write the prompt. So same way, when you interact with consensus, you just have to write the proper prompt and it will provide you the results accordingly. Same way, you will have PDFs also. You can watch or you can read PDFs from this also. So these two tools, that is the semantic scholar and consensus, are mainly for the literature review. We'll also discuss another tool also, that is I say about that tool is that it is a one all-rounder tool. So we'll discuss further. So let's move to next tool. So till now we have seen that two tools, that is the semantic scholar and the consensus, and through this we can search for ideas or we can search for research papers. Now we are having research papers and our task is to read the research paper. So for reading the research paper, it will take a lot of time. So for reading research papers, now let's move to another tool, that is chat PDF. So first of all, let me first download a paper. And you just have to upload your paper over here. Just click upload. This is the research paper. So now what will happen when you upload research paper in chat PDF? So now you can interact with this PDF. As this task can also be performed through chat GPT also, but this tool, what will happen or why we use chat PDF or chat doc? See, actually, when I have uploaded this paper, so over the right side, it will show you some suggestion questions also, or if you want to write prompt accordingly, like suppose now I have to make the or write the literature review, and for writing the literature review I have to write the findings of this paper. So it will take time to read this paper, to study this paper. So I just write simply, like here one prompt is this, that is summarize this paper. So let's see what will happen. So in the summary, it will like show you by like headings to headings, like through abstract, through introduction, applications. So how many parts are included in this paper? It will show you according to that particular part. And the important thing that is like, just a minute, show me summary in 5200 words. Fine. So through this, you can find the summary of this paper. And as if previously you have to read this paper, you have to understand each and everything, but through prompt, you will get summary in some form of lines. And through this, you can get the idea of this paper, that what about this paper. So suppose if you want to know the what are the methodologies, like research methodology used in this paper. So it will show you that it employs a literature review methodology, because I think no practical question is included in this particular part. That's why it is not showing any technology. Let me upload another paper so that I will show you some methodology. So yes, this is the research paper. Now see, as in this paper, some steps has been used. So that's why it is showing that in this paper, research methodology, a review has been done over the 2015 to 25 year research papers. In this selection criteria is there, then databases and search strategy is there. So it will show you the whole process that what is the methodology used in this paper. So then suppose future scope, you want to know the future scope. So through this tool, you can easily understand the research paper in a very less time. Otherwise, you have to read the complete paper from starting to end. But through these tools, like the chat PDF, and same thing will be happen with chat doc also. Name is chat doc, but you can upload a PDF also. But previously, these tools are like we can use these tools freely, but now they are charging some amount. So suppose so first I have to sign in. So same way you can interact with the paper. On the right side, it will show you some suggestions about questions like what are the main applications of AI in medical education. Suppose you want to ask this question. So it will give the answers according to this paper. Fine. So now the difference is that in chat PDF, I'm getting the results. Okay. So no like any reference is provided over here that from where this particular question has been taken. But in chat doc, what will happen? You can see this is the result of this particular question. And at the bottom, it is showing 1 and 2. So that means it take text, this particular answer from these particular references. Like if you click over here, it will show highlighted content in this research paper. Same way, that is the first reference from here. So this is the difference between these tools, that is chat, PDF, and doc. So through first tools, consensus and semantic scholar, you can do literature review. Then you can read the papers with the help of these tools. Now, till now, if you have any query, sir, will query sessions after the session complete or can discuss in between?
Yes, ma'am. After the session, someone can discuss with you. Okay.
Okay, fine, sir. Thank you. Okay, so moving to next tool. That is Sky Space. So this is one of the tool that I say that is it is a one all-rounder tool. As now we have discussed how to do literature review, then how to read the paper, but this tool provides each and everything. Like let me show you that what this particular tool's task. See, through this tool, you can chat with PDF. Through this tool, you can do literature review. This tool includes AI writer. You can find topics related to your research over here. It will work as a paraphraser also. Citation generator, if you want to write citations for a particular paper, so you can do citation generator. Extract data, AI detector. So many tasks can be performed through this particular tool. So for using this tool, as let's see how to do literature. See, I just write how does climate change impact biodiversity. Fine. So what will happen? See, first of all, it will answer from top 5 papers. It will show over here. Top 5 papers on the top in a summary form. And at the bottom, you can see it will show the top papers with insights as well as methods used. So from this, you can easily write your literature, because I think when you make your literature question, so you just have to follow one thing, that is those who are doing research. So this is one suggestion from my side, that perform a Excel with this particular headings: serial number, name of research paper, authors, research gaps, fine. And in case of computers, or I don't know mostly about other fields, but in case of computers, we use some methodology or that some machine learning techniques. So you have to write machine methodology used and future scope. Last not least, references. So if you prepare Excel with these headings, so you will get very much help in doing your research. Suppose as now you start your research, like you start your PhD and you start studying research papers. So you have to make a Excel with these headings, and because these headings will, or these particular Excel file will help you to do your research in a very good manner. And also, if you write research papers, do prefer that do your literature in the tabular form. So chances of plagiarism is also reduced very much if you follow this in a Excel format, like in a tabular form. Okay, so back to this topic, that for literature, I have write a topic. So from top, it will show the 5 papers, that is the top papers. And at bottom, it will show you papers that are title, insights, and methods used. Fine. Also, here we are having the filtering option is there. That is, you just want the papers that provide PDFs also. So you just have to click this. And you will get now those papers that are having PDFs. So you can see all papers has impact, title, insights, and methods used. Same. So top 10 papers, they're showing you the top 10 papers. So through this, you can also load more papers, and you can ask your like open access. One important thing I just want to also explain you about this website, that is, as of now, we are having title, insights, and methods used. So you can add columns over here. Suppose you just want conclusions also. So through this, I am having the conclusion also. So if you want to create a new column and you want to perform, or you want to like prepare results and literature or limitations, you can say. So you can perform over here. If you don't want, simply just click the link or cross the part. Now, as first task is to find the topics or find the research papers. So another thing that when you click the paper, so you will get paper over here, and chat option is also there. So you can simply interact with this paper if you want to ask questions. What are the contributions of this paper? These are some suggested questions explained by this system. Otherwise, if you want to ask questions according to your choice, you can also do that. So contribution of this review paper, it will simply show. Also through references, like it will showing one, that is if you click over here, so it will show the portion of paper from where this particular question has been taken. Okay, so it is highlighting this. Same with this. Right? Now moving to next tool, that is paraphraser. So you can use this tool to like remove the plagiarism. So pre-AI paraphraser tool is there. Simply write the content over here. You just click paraphrase and it will give you the result. But as these tools provide many things, and citation generator, AI detector also, so it is a paid tool. But the accuracy of this tool is very good. If you want to use this tool, and for that you can purchase this tool as well. So accuracy of this tool is good if you want to purchase this tool. Fine. So after literature, reading papers, finding topics, now moving to analysis portion. Julius AI. So for Julius AI, I need a data set, and for that, we are having a site. I hope you must know about this, kaggle.com. And this is a site from where you can download data sets. Data sets is what data, some data, and over where which you want to perform the research. So suppose I am just writing a topic, and it will simply provide the results here. Like it will also show that how many like latest data set is there, or how many previous data set is there. So just simply just click over here. So you have to search a CSV or Excel file over here. So let's see. Yes, in this data set, in Kaggle, it will show you the about data set, that what about this data set, that when a person actively is basically just explain that what is unemployment and why does occur, plus like it has done unemployment analysis file over this CSV file. So you just have to download this file. Just click over download and download dataset as zip. So simply just extract the files. So this is the Excel file. So now Excel file is here. So you have to go to Julius. Click here. For using these tools, you just have to log in first or you have to make your account. So simply go over here, upload files, and this is the folder and this is the data set. Simply upload it. See, I just want to summarize the key insights of this data set. And I just provide the file and write the prompt that summarize the key insights of this data set. Simply click. So now it has performed the research or provide the key insights that it is showing you this overview that what is all about the data set, that approximately 250 economic and regional aggregates. Also mention the year. What we have done only, we just upload the file and it is showing you the insights. Then it is showing you the main trends in the form of table, cross-country differences in the form of rates, long-term country changes. So you can see. Also, it provides graphs also. And through this, you can simply download these graphs and use in your research. How this tool is basically for those that who are not aware about the computer languages, or that for those who are having, like, some are using SPSS for their analysis purpose. Some still uses the Excel also for analysis purpose. But through this tool, you just have to upload the data, any type of data. Just suppose I have downloaded it from the platform that is Kaggle, and it is a authorized platform. So simply upload the data set, and you can just ask questions, or like, suppose I just want more graphs from this data. So it is not a free tool. For that, I have to change the. Okay. So from here, you can download it. So you can see quality of image is very good. You can simply insert it in your research paper. But just you have to remember that you have to mention the data set details. as you are using the data set from Kaggle. Fine. Also, important feature of Julius is that through this you can make reports also. Here is the option that create report. So for this particular data set, it will create a report also. Will take some time to generate the results. Okay. Maybe some network issue, but it simply generate the reports. And you can simply download and take printouts or present to anyone from here. You can. Okay, fine. Let me check after completing the session first. Fine. Now, I think some network problem is there, or I think that the number of times I have used this tool also, as it is also a paid tool. So now let's move to next tool, and this is the last tool, that is Napkin AI. So I am just searching over Google that what are the steps for writing a research paper. And okay, from here, you just have to paste the content in Napkin AI and it will generate pictures, or you can say graphs, or you can say like flow charts. You just have to paste the content over here, and here you have to click over generate visuals. In a very less amount of time, it will generate the diagrams. And here, these are the suggestions based on this particular content. Many other options are there, like under the categories part, you can choose. Suppose you want to show the flow of data. Various categories are there, and it will show another choices for this. That suppose you want to use these, and many options for coloring. Different designs are there, so you can use it easily. You just have to provide the content and simply click over this particular generalize the content or generalize the visuals. So it will simply generalize the diagram accordingly. Let's just provide the proper content, like as we write research methodology and show a particular diagram related to the methodology over there. So for that, we can generate diagrams, flow charts through this particular tool. So it's here. So you want to change the category and simply selected data in this book. So you can change. So you can select and it will show. So various options are there. You just need to explore the options according to your requirement. And these diagrams, you can use these diagrams in your research paper also. It will not show any type of plagiarism. So easy way to generate diagrams or flow charts and many other options are there. Also different designs are also available here. We just need to explore this too. Fine. Okay. Semantic Scholar, consensus, then chat PDF, doc, Sky Space, then we are having Julius, Kaggle, and Napkin AI. Okay, I think
Participants are requested to fill the feedback link. If you are trying to join, participants are requested to fill the feedback link. I think our speaker unable to join now. So I am thankful to you and thankful to all participants, those who are joined here. Kindly fill the feedback link so that you will receive your certificate. Tomorrow again we will join here on the new topic. Thank you to all. Thank you.